Hello, in this video I'm going to share my low-calorie, low-fat, no cholesterol spinach and artichoke dip. Stay tuned to the end because I'm also going to show you how I use this recipe to make 2 more dishes. I added garlic and onion to the food processor to get these 2 ingredients as finely chopped as I could. Next, I chopped the already quartered artichokes into smaller pieces also. I like to use fresh spinach in order to lessen the amount of water being added to the recipe. I actually chopped the spinach in 2 separate batches, also using the food processor. Now let's make the non-dairy cream sauce. I added rice vinegar and cooking wine, plus an almond yogurt. Give it a swirl. Salt and pepper, and now that it's all creamy and rich, I finally add the potatoes. Don't forget to give it a taste test. This was actually yummy all by itself. Time to get to cooking. To eliminate adding oils and empty calories, I'm using the steam method to cook the garlic and onions. Just keep adding water or broth until the onions are nicely caramelized. Add the chopped artichokes, the chopped spinach. Give it a stir until the spinach starts to wilt and release water. Then press the mixture in a strainer to remove as much liquid as possible. This will allow the dip to be really thick and creamy. Add the strained mixture back to the pan and now stir in the cream sauce. You can allow it to heat up a bit so it will have a head start in the oven. Add the mixture to your baking dish. I added parchment paper to the bottom of my dish to avoid adding oils and to help prevent sticking. You can use a pie pan or a baking dish of your choice. Now let's make over this dip into a pasta sauce. I did this simply by thinning out the dip using a plant-based milk. But since the milk isn't flavored, you will want to add some seasonings such as salt, pepper, and I added a dash of red pepper flakes and garlic powder also. As always, don't forget to taste. Now add the pasta and stir. Once plated, I added some parsley flakes, more red pepper flakes, and dehydrated cherry tomatoes I happen to have ready and available. Remember, this is low fat, low calories, and no cholesterol. See below this video for a link to the nutrition facts. And of course, this one was so easy. I simply took the pizza crust, added the pizza sauce, topped it with the spinach and artichoke dip, added some flavorful mushrooms and some chickpeas. Yum! Hey, in the comments section, let me know what other ideas you have for using the spinach and artichoke dip. Thanks!